So it's time to do the fluid change on this thing. So first things first, had to take these things out. Let's go to the next. Now, the drain plug for the oil, engine oil, it's down here. See if you make a mess. Oil filter is right there. And I could get it from that access panel in the middle, but nah. This is what we're using now from now on. We can do those later, but yeah. Oil filter. Oh, cool. Goes with a new washer. Right on. Let's use the washer. Dipstick, like that. Safe. Now it's time for the tranny. So there's the top, and this is the bottom. So now, do the front one. There's a fill plug right there. Drain plug. Right there. A little dirty, but. spark plugs in there. They're already pre-gapped. I already checked them. I think recommendation was like 0.7 to 0.8 millimeters. So for the coolant, take that one off or that one, whichever is easier. Drain all the water out, or old coolant. Go to the front, fill up your coolant in your reservoir, turn it on, let it warm up, come back here and bleed the system, and it's right above the exhaust right there. That one right there. So you just crack it open, let the bubbles come out, tighten back up, and you're done.